Saturday, my people. Saturday. It's sunny. Had a little workout in the morning. Now we're gonna go get some of that wheelie practicing. This Yamaha seat is no joke. I'm not gonna lie, I saw the reviews before saying the seat's uncomfortable. This seat's stiff as hell. I'm taking it real easy today, man. Because I'm the type of person that when I'm trying to improve at something, I don't want to get good like quick. It don't work like that. I'm just having fun with it, man. I ain't got to be the best. You ain't got to be the best. Just got to have fun on these bikes. I even put my motocross trousers on today not to get my legs burnt. Yeah, last time I went out on the bike. This is my favourite little wheelie strip, because it's small, makes me work on just dropping back a bit. Yeah, last time I went out on the bike, man, my legs kept burning from the shorts. So I was like, yeah, cool, motocross trousers this time. Summertime, man. I'm so happy I got a bike before the end of summer. Pick up this little wheelie strip, my neighbours, I won't be long. See no fucking police today, man. Leave me alone. Oh, I love it, man. I'm so happy. This is what my weekend about. See, when you graft, boys, I know a lot of you are grafters, of course. Man, when you graft and laying bricks all week, you need to have that fun, man. Can't be all work, no play. Fuck that. Alright, I need to drop it back quicker. I don't want to be chasing shit out. Yeah, we're getting used to this bike. Where are we getting used to it? Go for a little knee knocker. Hey, I'm not gonna lie. My KX450 was more comfortable to knee knock. Something just can't get comfortable on the knee with this one. Don't know if it's the seat. Feels a bit longer as well. I might be tripping, but feels a bit longer, but we'll get used to it. I'll probably change the seat, you know, if it's bothering me that much, because I definitely want those guts racing. seat. Now you gotta watch these fucking laces, my people. Getting locked in the fucking gear shift. Alright, let's hit a couple, or let's try and hit a couple big wheelies. I love my bike. A little bit too hard on the back brake there, so we didn't get to coast it out. Oh yeah, boy, that 250. Watch for the doggies, watch for the doggies.